Bacon jam? Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Now bacon jam sounds a little bit strange, but trust me, you cook down that beautiful bacon with some onions and some wonderful seasonings, and you get the perfect condiment for grilled cheese, BLTs, mix it into your pasta. I've been making this recipe for over 10 years because it really elevates those dishes you add it to. So let's get into the recipe. See the description below for a list of ingredients.
Start by slicing 500 grams of smoky bacon into small pieces. Turn the heat up to medium on a large sauté pan and drop in your bacon. Finely chop 1 white onion. The easiest way to do this is to slice the onion in half, leaving the core intact and taking the top end off. Peel off the papery skin and the first layer. Slice your knife horizontally through the onion until you're just about at the end. Do that a few times, working your way up the onion. Then cut vertically down the onion in small slices. Now you can chop from the top end and you'll have perfect little diced onion pieces. Use the same technique on 6 banana shallots. You'll want to make sure the bacon renders out all of its fat, so break it up into tiny pieces with a wooden spoon. Once your bacon has rendered out most of its fat, pull it out with a slotted spoon, leaving the fat in the pan. Now add your onions and your shallots to the hot bacon fat. Grate in 2 cloves of garlic and continue cooking until the onions start to get caramelized. Add your bacon back to the pan. I've de-seeded 4 dried chilies, but if you like heat, you can leave the seeds in. Now drop them into the pan. In goes a healthy grating of my favorite spice, nutmeg. Add in 2 tablespoons of good quality maple syrup. This will help to bring the sweetness out of the onions and the bacon before we add in the rest of our sauce ingredients. Once all of that maple syrup has cooked off and you have no liquid left in the bottom of your pan, you can add in the rest of your ingredients. In goes 85 grams of brown sugar. I'm just going to stir that around to get everything coated. In goes 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of bourbon, optional, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 100 milliliters of strong black coffee. Lower your heat to medium-low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until all of that liquid has become syrupy and thick. Now that it's almost ready, I'm going to pull out my chilies, but again, you can leave them in. Once your liquid has thickened up and you can see it takes a while to travel back to the center of the pan when you run your spoon through it, you're going to turn off the heat and let it cool completely before jarring it.
Once it's completely cooled, put it into your jar and it will keep in the fridge for up to a month. If you're hungry for more, check out another video here and subscribe here. Remember, likes are free and leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time.